welcome back to my channel. Here I'm Pooja and today I'm going to tell you all about Manipal. So let me tell you about myself first. So I am a student in Manipal University, Jaipur, and now I'm a senior. I'm in third year of my graduation and I'm going to just graduate after this year. So yeah, this is going to be my last year and I just decided to tell you guys about Manipal because as I have experienced already 2 years in that university, so I have a great knowledge about faculty and campus and everything. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started with the Manipal life. So I've wrote the points in my tab so that I don't forget anything, and if I do, then you can comment down below. And yeah, so let's get started with the video. So firstly, we're gonna start with the campus. So campus is 122 acre and it is a beautiful campus. I just can't even tell you, I'm not over it, even if I have just spent 2 years of my life there, but I don't think I'm over it. It is so beautiful, full of greenery, and I just love the campus. And second thing, it is located in the outskirts of Jaipur and it is in like Dhami Kalan and basically Bagru, and basically it's a village. I think मैंने basically बहुत ज़्यादा बार बोल दिया है, but it is situated in a village in the outskirts of Jaipur. And yeah, so let's move on to the next point. So it's a beautiful, huge, and let's talk about the facilities in college. So all the classes have AC and that's a really good thing. मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड भी लगती है, so I prefer wearing something full sleeves even in summers because it's really cold sometimes in class. But classes are good. The sitting area of the classes are really good. There are 4 auditoriums. Okay, let me tell you about the campus. So there is a main building. I'm just going to put the video out, but there is a main building called Dome Building, which has library, which is really beautiful, favorite part of the college. And it also has the main administrative area. And other than that, there are a few classes of like a designer course or something. I basically don't know. Even if I have completed 2 years, I didn't went there and visited there. And that's remind me of कि मुझे वहाँ जाना है. But yeah, so there is the main building. And then we have 4 blocks. So the first block and the second block means AB1 and AB2 are basically for students who are going to do the engineering course, and basically it is for them. And the third building means AB3 is for the arts and law students, and I think fourth building that has been built up recently, so I think it's going to be for new courses. And yeah, so there are 4 blocks in our college and 4 of them are really good. And also there are 4 cafeterias, or maybe 5 now. So first one is in Dome Building and we have a sitting area there under the like near the library, and there is a cafeteria, you can sit there, study there. And secondly, we have a old mess, which is said to be old mess. I don't know why, what is the background of it, but it is basically cafeteria. It has 2 floors, first and second, so it's like you can eat there. There are a lot of stalls there, so yeah, I mean shops. And third is in AB3 and okay, AB1 में भी है और AB2 में भी है. Okay, हर जगह खाने के shops हैं, so you can just visit and grab your knowledge about कहाँ क्या अच्छा मिलता है. I can also recommend you guys some of the places, so you can comment down below if you want to know अभी से. So yeah, mostly हर block में कुछ ना कुछ है ऐसा, so that's a well and good thing. You can go and sit and chill with your friends when you don't have classes. And other than that, classes are really good and AC systems are also really good. And there are approximately 2 auditoriums I think. Yeah, there are 2 auditoriums which usually we have sessions there of I'm a psychology student, so I have some sessions of related to some psychologists that came on that particular day, or for engineering people there are coding sessions. So yeah, that's all about the auditoriums are really beautiful, really good, and we'll enjoy it. And the next is, let's talk about clubs. So there are a lot of clubs, and as a college student and as a student who haven't taken in clubs in like the whole college life, I'm going to recommend you should take in clubs. It's really good. You will socialize. I'm not a very socializing person much, but yeah. So there are a lot of clubs related to engineering and related to dance, music, and a lot of things. Mental health clubs भी हैं, and there are a lot of things you can search about it. Even seminars वगैरह भी होते हैं clubs के लिए, and पूरा stalls वगैरह लगते हैं if you wanna just pay and just grab your seat in the club. So yeah, and other than that, let's talk about the sports. So for sports, we have different area for cricket, we have different area for football, for volleyball, and the ground is such a big place. You'll enjoy the ground place. I just love that area of my college and it's beautiful, just worth it. And next is sports. There are a lot of sports, indoor games की भी activities होती हैं, and there are a lot of things you can enjoy in college. As per you go, you gain more knowledge about your college. So yeah, I can just tell you ऊपर से, but हाँ सही से जाके आपको पता चलेगा. And cafeteria के बारे में मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया है. Let's talk about the freedom you have in college. So let me tell you, there are particular things that you have to follow in the dress code system. Obviously, you can say आप Karan Johar वाली movie का life जीने वाले हो इस college में. It's really good, but there are some restrictions and there are some rules that you have to follow. And I think these are the basic rules that you should follow in your life too. And yeah, like basic, you should wear like proper clothes to college. It should not be more revealing or something, especially for girls, क्योंकि लड़के तो क्या ही पहनेंगे revealing. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Second is, let's talk about the faculty in Manipal. So okay, I'm not gonna say anything about faculty. Most of the people take admission as in they want to become an engineer, or basically doing engineering. And I don't want to say anything on that because I don't know about engineering faculty. I am a psychology student, I know about them. And but overall, if I say the faculties, for me it's good. And I just want to say, एक जो मेरी एडवाइस होगी आप लोगों को, इफ यू आर एंटरिंग योर कॉलेज लाइफ, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टीचर स्पून फीड यू फॉर एवरीथिंग because they're gonna not. And it's because I think you have to learn on your own and you have to struggle in your college life to learn things. But as per me, and I am that student जो last minute पे पढ़ता है, so no study tips here. But yeah, I'm just like that. And faculty is overall good for my course. I don't know about engineering, so yeah. Let's move on to the third one. Fees. Let's talk about the fee structure in Manipal. So I just want to tell you, even if we talk about hostel or even if we talk about college, fee just changes every year. Even the certain amount, it changes every year. So I don't have the recent structure that they have of fee. But yeah, like fee keeps changing for every course. So that's, I cannot tell you. But for sure, you can go and you can get the pamphlet that they give you of the fee structure. So you can get the knowledge about the college. And even if I'm telling you everything about Manipal, you should go and visit the campus. You will love it. And I wanted to suggest you, please visit one time. It's going to be a great experience because, it's different when you visit for the first time and when you visit as a student. So there are two different experiences. So you should just experience that in your life once at least you are entering your college life. So yeah. Let's talk about the traveling. So as I told you that the Manipal University Jaipur is in outskirts of Jaipur, so you have to travel by cab either by bus. There is a bus like 26 number hai us bus ka, and you will get it on Chandpol and you can travel through it if you want a affordable ride. But बहुत ज़्यादा crowd होता है उसमें, and yeah, तो सारे गाँव के लोग होते हैं. So if you prefer visiting it from that bus, so please refer that. And I don't have any problem from bus. आई एम अ वेरी दैट पर्सन जिसे ऐसे पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट से विजिट करना कहीं भी अच्छा लगता है. सो या, एंड नेक्स्ट यू कैन विजिट बाई कैब्स, ऑटोज, एंड थोड़े एक्सपेंसिव होता है वुड से बिकॉज वो लोग रेट बहुत ज़्यादा लगाते हैं. एंड क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि और कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं है लोगों के पास. सो या, आई वुड प्रेफर यू ब्रिंग योर ओन कार. लाइक ब्रिंग योर ओन कार इन द सेंस ऑफ जब आप लोग विजिट करने आ रहे हो, नॉट ब्रिंग योर होल कार टू द कॉलेज. ओके, सो या. Let's talk about the hostel. So if you haven't seen my hostel room tour, you can see it. I'll link it in the description box. वो मैं अपने नए रूम का भी डाल दूंगी, पुराने रूम का भी डाल दूंगी, आप लोग सब देख लेना. Because I don't guarantee you guys कि आप लोगों को नए कमरे मिलेंगे. It's according to the facility and according to the availability of the hostels. So उसके according आप लोगों को मिलेंगे. So yeah, and you can change it sometime or the other if you get time, or if people are there to change your room, so you can get it changed some other time if you don't get a room that you wanted. So yeah. So let's talk about the hostel. So hostel में mostly you will get double occupancy rooms. I don't think they prefer giving single occupancy now, because I have asked recently to the warden and they said कि नहीं, अब हम single occupancy room नहीं देते हैं. But you can still ask, you are coming new, so maybe the rules have changed, so you can ask them out. And पिछले year तो हमारा triple occupancy भी था, तो हो सकता है if they don't have enough space, they will give you triple occupancy. And yeah. But the double occupancy rooms are really good, especially the new ones. They are just bomb. I just love the vibe of the new rooms. And yeah. So let's talk about the facilities in hostel. So let me tell you, the facilities in hostel is so good. I mean, I just love my hostel. Like, I love my hostel life. I just never want to leave my hostel life. That's how I can say about my hostel life. So सबसे पहले AC है रूम में, and you can turn on and you can off the AC according to your adjustments. And AC के भी timings होते हैं. It's from like I think morning 9 में बंद हो जाता है, weekdays में 9 में like 9 AM पे बंद हो जाता है, and it starts at 6 PM in the evening. It's because these are the college timings. So yeah, it's according to that. And पूरा टाइम AC चलता है. वैसे कमरे में इतनी गर्मी नहीं लगती है. AC is really good. And बहुत सारी कंप्लेंट्स भी होती हैं जो आप लोगों को करनी हो, बिकॉज हमें रूम पे प्रॉब्लम आती रहती है कभी ना कभी. कभी फ्लश में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कभी टैप में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है पानी के लिए, या कभी वॉश बेसिन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. सो देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ टिप्स जो हम कंप्लेंट्स डाल सकते हैं एक स्पेस बेसिक नाम की ऐप पे, जो आप लोगों को बता दिया जाएगा व्हेन विल कम टू हॉस्टल. सो दैट्स अबाउट द हॉस्टल. And let's talk about laundry and mess. So let's talk about laundry first. So as per your preferences, you can prefer any laundry. There are a lot of laundries outside the hostel that you can pay per kg के according, and हमारी जो laundry है उसका आई थिंक एक पर्टिकुलर चार्ज है, एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपकी 30 साइकिल्स होती हैं. 30 साइकिल्स आपको 2 सेमेस्टर्स मतलब पूरा एक साल यूज़ करनी होती है, एंड एक बारी में आप 6 kg वेट के कपड़े दे सकते हो. सो मेरी तो ऑलमोस्ट चल जाती है, सो आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद दैट, बट या सम पीपल हैव प्रॉब्लम विद लॉन्ड्री. सो यू कैन just experience one time. अगर आपको पसंद नहीं आई then you can switch obviously next year. And if we talk about mess, then laundry compulsory नहीं है, but mess is compulsory. mess की fees submit करना is very compulsory. And recently इन लोगों ने नई mess बनाई है, so there are 2 messes and you will get an option on which mess you would choose. So पहले मैं पुरानी mess में थी because first year में मेरे mess नहीं थी दूसरी, and then my second year has like 2 option मेरे पास कि मेरे को ये वाली mess लेनी है वो वाली. So I recommend taking new mess, and I just want to tell you दोनों मेस अपनी अपनी जगह बहुत अच्छी हैं. आई डोंट हैव एनी ऐसे खचड़ पचड़ की एक मेस अच्छी है एक मेस गंदी है. नो, बोथ हैव देयर ओन क्वालिटीज एंड बोथ हैव देयर प्रोज एंड कॉन्स, सो यू कैन प्रेफर टेकिंग एनी. एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव जिम फैसिलिटी इन आवर हॉस्टल विच इज अ रियली गुड थिंग बिकॉज आई यूज टू बी अ जिम रैट पिछले साल तक. But due to some situations, I couldn't go to gym in my second year, and I'll not even go in my third year, most probably, especially in the semester that is coming up, my 5th semester. But why am I telling you this? You don't need to know this. Okay, so there are 2 gyms. So recently we have, like, they have built a new gym in the जहाँ पर new mess है उसी के ऊपर new gym बनाई है इन्होंने. But old gym is good. Old gym, I have done gym there. Old gym is really good. There is a trainer there which can help you, tell you the workout, so it's really good. And I think new gym is going to be expensive because it's really 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 pretty. I think I made a video on it. I think shorts में डाला था मैंने कहीं, and if I have it, I'll just link it in the description box if I get it. And yeah, that's about the gym. If you're a gym rat, join gym guys. It's really good. And next, we have. So there are a lot of, okay, let me tell you, there are a lot of food places in our hostel itself. There is Subway, there is Pizza Bakers, there are a lot of different variety of foods. Even fruit ki shop hai, chaat ki shop hai, you will get different variety of things and you can try, like, you can just try any food anytime, and even वो लोग रात को भी deliver करते हैं so that बच्चे fun करे आधी रात को. But yeah, that's a really good thing. And even people order coffee when they have exams, so that's a really good thing about our hostel. And वो लोग आपके ब्लॉक के नीचे डिलीवर करने आ जाते हैं, and we'll get the numbers. And yeah, that's about the information about the food. But yeah, there are cafes, there are things that you can enjoy. Even वहाँ पे एक Allmart भी है. Allmart में you get all the things. Oh my god, all the things. And even एक All One करके भी खुला है शायद, A1, I don't know exactly. But yeah, there are stores you can visit and have something. And also one thing more, मेरे को जब मैं हॉस्टल ज्वाइन किया था तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स नहीं आते हैं, बट नो, ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर्स आते हैं. एंड यू कैन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम एनी वेबसाइट, यू विल गेट द ऑर्डर, यू विल गेट द कॉल, एंड देन वो भैया बाहर ही बैठे होते हैं, एंड यू कैन गेट योर ऑर्डर फ्रॉम दैट. एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Let's talk about the sports in our hostel. So as such कोई आपको गाइड नहीं करता है हॉस्टल में, एंड इवन आई डोंट थिंक कॉलेज में भी इतना कुछ गाइड है. बट या हॉस्टल में you have areas of playing football, basketball and volleyball. There are a lot of teams which you can join, go and tell them that I'm a fresher and I want to join this game, so you can get help from seniors. And one of my senior friend had been in football team, so they have a different area called turf. तो वहाँ वो लोग फुटबॉल खेलते हैं. इट्स रियली गुड, हॉस्टल इज़ रियली गुड. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग वी हैव इज़, हाँ, तो टर्फ है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव जॉगर्स पार्क. If you have watched my videos, then you know how much I love Joggers Park. Like, Joggers Park is my safe place in the hostel. Like, it's kind of a normal park where you can go and sit. Even in the grass, there are seats जो पत्थर की बनी हुई होती है, आप लोग उन पे भी बैठ सकते हैं. And yeah, so वो अलग बात है. That area is pretty much occupied when freshers come. But obviously, you guys are coming and you can go and sit there with your friends, and even if you got someone there. But yeah, let's not talk about that. Okay, then next is celebrations. So okay, so I didn't told you about fest in college now. So fest is so fantastic thing in our college. Oh my god, if you haven't watched my fest vlog, then I'm just putting it down, like I'm linking it down below. You should watch it. Like, I love college fest. I it was my first time experiencing some concert in my first year. Until then, I just love college fest. And yeah, so there is college fest in college, obviously. And in our hostel there are a lot of celebration of different festivals, चाहे वो पंजाबी रिचुअल्स वाले फेस्टिवल हों, या साउथ के हों, या फिर हिंदुइज्म के हों. एंड यू नो व्हाट, लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था लास्ट जो मैंने मणिपाल की वीडियो बनाई थी उसमें मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था गरबा नाइट होती है, बट लास्ट टाइम गरबा नाइट गॉट कैंसिल्ड एंड बच्चे मुझसे पूछ रहे थे दीदी आपने तो बोला था कि गरबा नाइट्स होगी, इस बार क्यों नहीं हुई? आई वाज लाइक देयर वाज समथिंग दैट हैपेंड एंड ड्यू टू दैट हमारे हॉस्टल में गरबा नाइट कैंसिल हो गई थी। आई डोंट नो अबाउट दिस टाइम ऑल्सो, आई एम नॉट प्रॉमिसिंग एनीथिंग, बट या गणपति विसर्जन वगैरह होता है हमारे कॉलेज में एंड इवन बहुत सारी पूजा भी होती हैं एंड इट्स ब्यूटिफुल, द कल्चर इज सेलिब्रेटेड वेरी ब्यूटिफुली, सो देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन लीव देयर, लाइक इट्स सच अ गुड प्लेस टू बी इन एंड या तो सेलिब्रेशंस काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं। तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग आप लोगों को बताऊं अपने ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ भर के आना, इवन इफ यू आर अ बॉय ब्रिंग कुर्ताज प्लीज, बिकॉज देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ट्रेडिशनल वेयर सेलिब्रेशन एंड इवन ट्रेडिशनल डेज भी होते हैं कॉलेज में कपड़े पहनने के लिए ट्रेडिशनल, सो यू कैन ब्रिंग योर क्लोथ्स देयर एंड यू कैन इवन ब्रिंग ड्रेसेस, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पार्टीज हियर एंड देयर, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, सो यू कैन एंजॉय अप और यू कैन जस्ट ऑर्डर योर ड्रेसेस फ्रॉम समाना. Yeah, not sponsored by the way. Okay, next is okay, let's talk about the Wi-Fi. So I didn't talk about the Wi-Fi. Someone commented in my recent video कि दीदी hostel में Wi-Fi है या नहीं. So just want to tell you Wi-Fi है and you can only connect 2 devices from your Wi-Fi. So yeah, that's about the Wi-Fi. You will get it. You will get the password as you enter the hostel and वो कॉलेज में भी चलता है और हॉस्टल में भी चलता है. यू कैन कनेक्ट मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम 2 डिवाइसेस एंड इवन लाइब्रेरी का भी बता ही देती हूँ, मैक्सिमम 4 या 5 बुक्स इशू करा सकते हैं आप पर टाइम एंड इट्स फॉर लाइक 15 डेज तक वो इशू होती है. सो या even if I'm just forgetting some points, I'm just going to tell you. And then we talk about the freedom in our hostel. So you have the freedom to do anything except killing somebody. I mean, no harm, no ragging, nothing like that. And ये सब नहीं होता है. Hostel is very safe. I hope you are going to connect with people who are going to be safe for you and with you. So yeah, choose your people wisely in college and even hostel. You are going to live with them. You are going to become like them one day. So choose people wisely, guys. And I just want to tell you दैट गर्ल्स सेफ्टी की बात कर लेते हैं थोड़ी सी हॉस्टल और कॉलेज में तो हम यूजुअली डे टाइम में होते हैं तो कॉलेज इज सेफ एंड इवन हमें रात के टाइमिंग्स बता देती हूँ मैं आपको. सुबह 6 बजे हमारे हॉस्टल ब्लॉक्स का गेट खुल जाता है. यू कैन गो टू जिम एट 6 AM, यू कैन गो टू जॉगर्स पार्क एट 6 AM, यू कैन गो टू एनीवेयर एट 6 AM इन द होल हॉस्टल एंड इवन यू कैन गो आउटसाइड हॉस्टल एट 6 AM and you just have to scan your face and you can go out without your parents permission. 6 AM से 9 PM तक आपको अलाउड होता है कि आप बिना पेरेंट्स की परमिशन के बाहर जा सकते हो. सो अगर आप 9 बजे के बाद हॉस्टल आते हो तो आप लोगों के पेरेंट्स के पास मैसेज चला जाएगा दैट you haven't came to hostel on time or you haven't came back to hostel and I think they call your parents or something. ऐसा कुछ होता है. मेरे साथ अभी तक ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि मैं बाहर ही नहीं जाती गाइस हॉस्टल के. meet me and then you will know. Okay, so I'm not that kind of a girl जिसे बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर जाना अच्छा लगता है हॉस्टल के. मैं हॉस्टल के अंदर ही इतना अच्छा लगता है मुझे कि बाहर जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. बट हॉस्टल के बाहर भी बहुत सारी जगहें हैं यू कैन विजिट एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऐसा कुछ तो है लाइक देयर आर सम वीकेंड्स पे पार्टीज होती हैं यू कैन गो देयर एंड या सो अदर देन दैट पार्टीज वगैरह होती हैं एंड कैफेज भी हैं आसपास बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. सो यू कैन गो एंड जस्ट बी देयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड आई डोंट गो मच. सो या अदर देन दैट टाइमिंग्स मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया हॉस्टल की. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट अगर हॉस्टल के अंदर हम कितना घूम सकते हैं तो गर्ल्स एंड इवन बॉयज़ आई थिंक 11 PM तक हम सबको अलाउड होता है बाहर घूमना. 11 PM तक आप लोग अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मजे करो, कहीं भी रहो हॉस्टल में किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. एंड देयर आर कॉमन रूम्स इन हॉस्टल एज वेल वेयर यू कैन स्टडी और सिट विद योर फ्रेंड्स और समथिंग व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू इन द कॉमन रूम. एंड या इवन देयर इज अ लाइब्रेरी इन हॉस्टल एज वेल, सो यू कैन गो एंड स्टडी देयर एज वेल. एंड या वो ऐसे लॉन्ड्री के ऊपर है इफ यू वांट टू सी इट. सो या इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल हॉस्टल एंड अदर देन दैट फ्रीडम पूरा का पूरा है आप लोगों के पास. जैसे जीना है वैसे जियो, कैसे भी कपड़े पहनो, nobody cares. Yeah, nobody do. And yeah, so other than that, if you want to take in the PGs or hostel outside the main Manipal hostel or GHS, then I will prefer you take care of your safety because I don't know much about Bahar ka area, but I can tell you the main Manipal hostel is really safe, really safe. I don't know about the PJs or hostel. Obviously, it can be safe for boys, but I can't, guarantee for girls. And मेरे पापा को भी यही ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये hostel ज़्यादा safe है, तो they preferred giving, उन्होंने मुझे यही वाला hostel दिलाया, and I think I'm very grateful for that because I love this hostel and it has probably like literal हर कुछ है यहाँ पे, so you don't have to go out and visit somewhere else. एक्स्ट्रा टिप्स जो मैं कॉलेज और हॉस्टल लाइफ के बारे में आप लोगों को देना चाहूँगी एंड दिस इज अ मस्ट टू लिसन. सो या फर्स्ट थिंग इज लिव योर लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट, लाइक फुलेस्ट. मैंने शायद पहला साल अपना बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों में बात किया है, बट दूसरा साल I started realizing this is my life and I have to live it and I have to live it to the fullest. So I have as much as I could. I have lived in my second year and third year में मैं और धमाल करने वाली हूँ अपनी hostel life में because I have to spend most of the time in my hostel. I love hostel. I love college. So yeah. And I just want to say live life to the fullest. किसी चीज़ की टेंशन मत लो, पढ़ाई करो, but you gain knowledge of everything. Experiences are very important in life. So experience लो कॉलेज लाइफ का, हॉस्टल लाइफ का, लोगों के साथ घूमो, लोगों के साथ बाहर जाओ. It's very important. So gain up knowledge and meet a lot of people. And even कॉलेज लाइफ के लिए मैं प्रेफर करूँगी अपने प्रोफेसर्स और टीचर्स से बात करो. They are really good people and they will surely give you a solution of your problems. And second is remember your values and learnings. Please I just want to say, maybe you have a lot of dreams coming to this college कि मैं ऐसे जीऊंगी, मैं ऐसे जाऊंगा, मैं ऐसे करूंगा, वैसे करूंगा. I just want to say, remember your values. You're going to learn a lot of things in your college life, but I just want to say, remember who you are and then become who you want to be, not what people want you to become for them. So yeah, that's what I want to advise. And third is, make sure you take care of the people you surround yourself with. Even if you want a relationship or a friendship, remember people around you build you up, because people you surround yourself with, at the end वो आप बन जाते हो. So yeah, I will prefer you as much as I can कि उन लोगों के साथ दोस्ती करो जिन लोगों के साथ आप उन लोगों के साथ दोस्ती करो जिन लोगों के साथ आप जिन लोगों के जैसा आप बनना चाहते हो. So yeah, even if you want to become like a senior, just have हर बड़ा friendship का. And I just want to say, you can just talk to your seniors. It's really damn easy, and I haven't done it because मेरे senior friends बस मेरे senior friends बन गए. They literally approach me. I don't have to approach them. But yeah, I'm really grateful for that. And other than that, I just want to say, even I tell you to do friendships, but the main focus, just remember your main agenda of coming to hostel or college life. If you wanna enjoy, just enjoy it, even if with people or without people. I just want to say, don't trust people a lot. Don't blind trust them. Trust people. I don't say don't trust them, but don't blind trust them. They are not the most perfect people in front of you. They are not the most perfect example. They are also struggling. It's their college life too. And yeah, people are going to come and go. Your career and your studies are the most important priority in hostel and college life. Obviously enjoy the other activities as well. And I know मैं ऐसी बात कर रही हूँ जैसे मेरे अंदर मम्मी पापा की आत्मा आ गई हूँ, but this is what it is. And last minute study works, and attendance बहुत strict है college में. So remember, you go to college regularly, and बहुत बार problems हो जाती हैं बच्चों के साथ. So yeah, that's my preference. Go to college, enjoy your college life यार, and just sit and go and sit to the class. And next I just want to say that freedom है life में, like freedom है अपनी college life में. बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को आके. And I hope your studies goes well, and welcome to Manipal life. Welcome to your college life, and I hope the best for you. And I just want to say, मेरा experience literal बहुत अच्छा रहा है college में. Not because of people I have spent time with, not at all. I didn't depend my college life on people like literal. मैं आप लोगों को बता दूं, मेरे first year में जितने मेरे दोस्त रहे, आज उनमें से एक भी मेरी life में नहीं है. And I'm the happiest person in my life because I just left them on the right time. And even in my second year, I have lost a lot of people I had been with, and I don't have any regrets because they were meant to go to make me right now. And I just want to say, enjoy your hostel and college life to the fullest. Go and cook something for yourself in hostel, and थोड़ी पागलपंती भी करो यार. बिना पागलपंती के कैसे college life memorable रहेगी. And I just want to say all the best to your college life. And you can comment down below what you want to ask about the college, hostel, and any kind of questions you have related to anything. You can comment down below. I will reply as much as I can. And I just want to remind you, I don't use Instagram much, and I don't reply to my DMs much. But still, if you want to follow, you can follow. I will put this here. And yeah. And that's about this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. And if you want to know something more about Manipal, then comment down below. I'm always here. And if you come to Manipal, please meet me because I love meeting new people. And I just want to say, you guys, even if you're coming new, I have met a lot of freshers last year too, and I enjoyed meeting them, so I'm going to enjoy meeting you guys too. So yeah, if you want to meet, you can come and say hi to me. And yeah, that's about this video. I hope you guys like it, and yeah.